Hello and welcome to this new tutorial where we are going to be learning how to use VidIQ. VidIQ helps to give you free insights and guidance to keep your YouTube channel growing. It can actually help you to do quite a good number of things. One of them being viewing the competitors and the tags that they use in their videos so that you are able also to improve on your tags, the tags that you use. You are also able to get the views about your competitors, the subscribers they have, the watch time and the retention, also in terms of percentages. This can help you to see what your competitors are doing, and then you are also able now to improve on exactly what you are also doing. With VidQ, you also get a chance to get related keywords, and you also get to see the search volume and the overall score so that you are able now to know which keyword to use that possibly has a medium competition, and I'll be showing you that in a moment. So vidIQ uses artificial intelligence, and so you are able to get daily ideas that are personalized to boost your growth. To use vidIQ, you simply go to vidiq.com, and then at the top here, you click on login. I'll be leaving the link to vidiq.com in the description of this video. But again, when you come to the pricing here, you notice we have the basic, the pro, the boost, and the max. So, and all these have different plans, all have different accessibilities. For instance, with the basic one, you get daily ideas, 3 of them. And then you also get competitor tracking. You can track up to 3. And then you also get trend alerts. You can use all of them on Chrome or Firefox extension. Now to log in, you simply come in and click at the top here, or you sign up if you don't have an account. Then if you don't have an account, you will click down here on sign up. So you will put your email here and then the password, and then you will link your YouTube account to this, and it will bring you to your homepage for vidIQ. Now, on the vidIQ, you notice here we have the dashboard, we have the daily ideas, and then we have the AI generator, competitors, subscribers, SEO, max, and the new AI coach. And you can also download the vidIQ extension on your browser. So now how do we use this? If you now come to keywords here, you click on keywords, and then you type a keyword here. You notice that here, if now I type iPhone and I click on search, you notice that I'm able to discover this keyword's audience size and how competitive it is. On this side, you notice we have the keyword iPhone and we have its related keywords. For instance, the related keywords to my iPhone here are iPhone 14 Pro Max. And if now I click on this one, I'm able to view that in details. You notice here, the keyword I searched was iPhone, and the search for iPhone, it's at 586,603. That is the search volume here. And the search volume is the average number of times people search for this exact keyword on YouTube each month. When I look at the competition, it's very high here. So you notice the competition is 87, which is very high. And the competition score is a measure of how many videos are competing for this keyword in YouTube search. That means if I just use the word iPhone, the competition is too high that I have lower chances of getting viewed with this. And then overall, we have 45, and overall is a score which measures how attractive this keyword is to you as a creator. And the higher the number, the better. You notice this is at 43. So the best keywords would be those that are either medium, not like this one, which is very high, or this one that is high. You notice for iPhone 14 Pro Max, the competition is also very high at 79.6. And then iPhone 14 Pro, the competition is also high at 76. So the related keyword that I could use would be iPhone 15 Pro, which has a score of 25.7, and the competition is medium, and the number of words, of course, here I've used 3 words. So this is the number of words per keyword you are searching for. So now if I'm creating a video, I would rather go for iPhone 15 Pro instead of these two, which are actually very high in competition. So if I now look at matching terms at the top here, I'm able now to see terms that are matching. And the best one to use, as I said, would be medium. Again, you notice iPhone 15 here has a medium competition, and then it also has an overall rating of 69 here, which means now if now I'm to use keyword search, it will be better for me to use iPhone 15 as opposed to just the word iPhone at the top here, which has very high competition. You can also view that in terms of questions that have been asked in terms of iPhone. You notice down here, we have related keywords here, how to transfer data from iPhone to iPhone. The competition is high. Also, the second one is high, and the last one is also high. But you can see the overall here. You notice with how to unlock iPhone, if forgot password, the overall score here is 42, which would be better than searching for these other two, whose search is high. Remember, just searching iPhone gives you a very high competition. So iPhone alone will not be the best word to use for your tags. Now, the next part you can use is the part for competitors. So if now I click on competitors here, I'm now able to compare my channel with the competing channel. So I simply come here on the right hand side and type the channel that I want to look for as a competitor. So let me look for a channel such as Explain Me. So you notice we have all these channels. So maybe the one I want is this one that has 4.6 subscribers. So I'll click on that, Explain Me. Then I come down here and click on Add Competitor. And you notice that now that adds my channel on this side, Josh, and the competitor's channel on this side, so that I'm able now to do a comparison. For instance, I have 0 videos on my channel. This channel has 817 videos. In terms of views, total here, you notice my totals are at 0 and everything is at 0. But you notice for this competitor, views is 702,000 with subscribers of 4.6 thousand. And then you can see in the last 7 days, actually, it has been an upward trend, increasing, going up for the last 28 days. And so I'm now able to just get the details about this channel and maybe the top things that the work is doing. You notice down here, the top videos from my competitor here, how to create multiple Shopify stores on one account. It has all the other details I can get. Then I can sort this. I can view by views per hour, date published, and all that. So you notice I can gather all this data from my competing channel just by using VidIQ. I can look at subscribers here. If I click on subscriber, I'm able to analyze what my subscribers are watching here. So, but this is a pro thing. You need to upgrade to use that feature. On AI generator, you can generate content artificially just by giving an idea about what you do. Maybe I'm doing a video about technology. I simply type there technology and then I click on go. So the AI content generator gives me the title, The Futuristic World Within Our Grasp, Unveiling the Latest Tech Marvels. And then it now gives me the description of the video. You notice it has generated that automatically. Then it gives me the keywords here. Latest tech marvels, innovation. You notice we have all these keywords here. Then it also gives me up here the video script. Welcome to our channel. Today we are thrilled to take you on a journey into the futuristic world within our grasp. Gives me the whole video script here. Down here, it gives us the voiceover. So now if I play this audio, you can hear it. Hear how the voiceover is.
Welcome to our channel. Today, we are thrilled to take you on a journey into the futuristic world within our grasp as we unveil the latest tech marvels.
And that is the audio that has been generated using the AI. Then now, if I want more ideas, I can click on get more video ideas and then I only need to type what I need at the top here. Then I get the title, the description, the video script, and of course the voiceover. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.